Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Got another video for you today. It's just going to be sit back, relax, and watch it of Gary Gensler getting. If you haven't seen this particular chew out, wow, you're gonna love it. Really rakes him over the coals hard. And also, I wanted to take a look at, we sometimes cover what charts say and predictions. We've talked about Bollinger Bands, and we've talked about, the bullish triangles and things like that. And so we're going to see today that some of those charts have bore out what happened in this little kick up that we just got. Yeah, I know it's not a lot, but I'll take it. Won't you take it? But before we do that, 15 seconds, decent wallet commercial. Then we'll go over our coins and get right to the point. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. If you own crypto, you need a self-custody wallet. I've chosen the Decent wallet after owning several different wallets. I believe you will like it too. Use the link in the description. Purchase from my site. It does help support the channel. I appreciate it. Wow, look at the one-day chart. Y'all have seen the XRP spike here. We're at 61 cents, 61.66. So it's been fluctuating around a little bit. We were up to 62.5 cents. Now we're at 61.5 roughly. Looking pretty good. Let's look at Quant. Quant's down to 76, but up from a little while ago. If we just look at the 1 month chart, it's still doing pretty good from its recent lows. Let's take a look at Crypto Trading Fund. I did pick up some more down at the 80-cent level. Glad I did. There's 7 cents. That's nothing to laugh at. I mean, that's pretty decent, depending on how many you own. Like to see that. We get back up around, I down cost averaged. I'm probably in at about $1. Let's see what news came out. Okay, looks like I miscalculated the hours. It's not come out today. The news will be coming out, it looks like, tomorrow. So we'll check back in tomorrow. Hey, it looks like RLUSD has secured a place on Coinbase. They got a place for it. It's not tradable yet, but it is listed on there. Looks like there's more information to fill in. I went there just a second ago and checked it out. Of course, it's not available for trading, but they got a spot for it, so it's going to be showing up soon. Pretty exciting. This is too good not to watch. Just look at this few-minute video where Gary Gensler really gets railed again. I believe you'll love it. I like watching it a couple times because it's unbelievable. He really gets them good. Check this out.
Chairman Gensler, part of the SEC's mission is to protect investors. Does the SEC review pre-IPO documents?
I think you said pre-IPO documents. You're supposed to, if you're going to take a company public, the staff of the SEC does review those to see that they're in compliance.
Correct. Is Coinbase a publicly traded company?
I'm sorry?
Is Coinbase publicly traded?
Yes.
All right. So the SEC allowed pension funds and retail investors to invest in a company, Coinbase, that you apparently, from prior remarks, believe was engaging in illegal activity. All of their activities were laid out in their public filings in the S1 prior to the IPO. You did say that you believe Coinbase is selling unregistered securities, correct?
Again, I'm not going to speak to anyone.
No, but you said that they're selling unregistered securities. This is your public comments.
I think, with all respect, I look forward to you finding that because I'm trying to be very careful. I'm not speaking
we'll help
about
refresh
any
your
one
memory.
company.
In the Kim Kardashian settlement, the SEC stated that Ethereum Max is a security. She reached a settlement for promoting an unregistered security. The unregistered security is Ethereum Max. Have you charged the issuers of Ethereum Max for offering an unregistered security?
We reached a settlement with a celebrity, Ms. Kardashian.
Yeah, but not. She just promoted it. She doesn't operate Ethereum Max. Have you said that Ethereum Max is an unregistered security to the people that offer it?
We did in that settlement, yes, sir.
Okay, it's still trading. What about Ethereum? Is Ethereum now a security?
We had this
I heard your
discussion.
exchange. They've been in place since 2015. You say in your statements that there's clarity in the market and the rules are clear. Just come on in. You can't even answer the question. Do you say XRP is a security?
We're in court and active discussions and litigation on that.
You're in litigation because you do say it's a security. As you know, let's move on a little bit. As you know, qualified custodian banks would effectively be unable to provide crypto asset related custody as a result of punitive capital impact under accounting provisions in Staff Accounting Bulletin 121. Do you agree that the bulletin should be amended?
I think that the staff addressed an accounting issue and appropriately saw that crypto assets held in custody today are not segregated or not bankruptcy remote in bankruptcy and should be appropriately put on public company financials.
I wish I had time to go into the ESG rule and everything else, but Chairman Gensler, your record of failures to protect investors and abuses of power make it clear that we need to restructure the Securities and Exchange Commission. The failures are many, but let me cite some of the abuses. You average more than 2 rules proposals a month. You provide inappropriately short comment periods. You have unworkable and unlawful ESG disclosure mandates on the market. You have essentially a Hotel California rule for crypto where you can check in anytime you like, but you can never leave. You have endless discovery with no resolution and no clarity for the captives in the market. You have unworkable proposals for overhauling equity market structure, a de facto ban on crypto through proposed custody rule. You have high staff turnover, unhappy people leaving your office, and unhappy companies and capital leaving our country. To correct a long series of abuses, I'm introducing legislation that removes the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission and replaces the role with an executive director that reports to the board where all authority would reside. Former chairs of the SEC will be ineligible under my proposed bill. And this isn't just my take. It resonates across the political spectrum. The American people want democratic access to capital, retail investor participation. You can't just exclude retail investors from markets and claim it's for their own good. Our markets need to function and flourish, and I yield back.
Then look at this. As far as retail, there was some FUD that was getting feedback on whenever I would present some people's charting. Charts actually do expose some things. But here we go. Here's some confirmation. This is the triangle that we were in, and they were talking about waiting for it to break out, and here it did. So we did have a breakout. We still need to pump up a little bit higher and then hold that for a little while so we can create a support level. But we did have a breakout, and this is what we've still got a little over a week before October the 7th, which will be the last day for the SEC to go ahead and appeal. And what we just watched with Gary Gensler, all of these things add up to why I believe there will not be an appeal. That's just more icing on the cake of no appeal. He's getting royally chewed out everywhere. Some people say, yeah, but he don't care. He'll probably do it anyway. Well, you got major attorneys saying there'll be no appeal because there will not be a win. And if Gary's leaving, wouldn't he rather leave with a win? And he can stop now and leave with a win against XRP. Or he can appeal, pass the baton off to somebody else, then they get the result. But the new administration is probably going to dump this case if we have a Trump win, at least anyway. But anyway, here we have had a breakout. So, awesome. So this chart was giving us a telltale sign, wasn't it? Now, I know it's just a retail breakout, but we're going to have a massive breakout coming with mass adoption and utility. Probably this bull run is going to start in October. It looks like we're sneaking up on it now. So we're just going to hang on and watch. If the 7th comes and goes and there's no appeal, what do you think is going to happen? I mean, I hate to even say, because we have a culture now of disappointment in XRP, but that's going to change. Do you think that's going to change once we get past the 7th? Do you think we're going to start to see some bull action? Let me know in the comments. Hey, like and subscribe if you like this content. That's all I got for you today. Just wanted to brief over and see that good chew out. Enjoy your day. I'll see you next video.